What if I told you a sticky kitchen ingredient, the same one your grandma uses for porridge, could fade stubborn dark spots faster than a $100 serum? I tested this Korean rice cream for dark spots for 30 days, and the results shocked me. Stick around. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make it, and why big beauty brands don't want you to. Why this cream went viral in Korea. Hint, it's not just rice. For centuries, Korean women have used fermented rice water to get that glass skin glow. But here's the twist. When I visited Seoul, a local herbalist taught me to boost the recipe with 2 cheap pantry staples. One of them's probably in your fridge right now. Together, they block melanin and repair sun damage. Hold up cornstarch and powdered milk. Let's get to the magic. 3 ingredients, 5 minutes. Whip it up tonight. Use short grain rice, not basmati. Its starch content is 20% higher. We will use 3 tablespoons of rice and a tightly sealed jar. Add 200 milliliters of water. Rice is famous as an ingredient for lightening and softening the skin, especially in Japan and Korea. We close the jar well and leave it to soak for 48 hours or at least 24 hours. It will ferment gently. The next day, it will be ready to use. If it smells sour, you're golden. If it stinks, toss it. Trust me. We will mix the rice completely with the water. You will love this cream. It is excellent. We will use gauze and a strainer so that we do not have any rice grains in the cream. We will make full use of all the rice water we have obtained. Cornstarch helps the cream adhere better to the skin, prolonging its effect and improving its absorption. Add a tablespoon of cornstarch. Now, add a tablespoon of powdered milk. Powdered milk is rich in proteins, which help strengthen the skin barrier and improve skin elasticity and firmness. Mix well. Place the mixture on low heat, stirring constantly until it becomes creamy. Let it cool, then add 1 teaspoon almond oil and 10 drops vitamin E. This combo saved my cousin's acne scars, and it'll protect your skin from pollution while you sleep. How to use it like a K-beauty guru. Night routine. Hack. Slather it on before bed, no rinsing. Wake up, wash with cold water, it tightens pores, and watch spots fade in 2 weeks. Pro tip. For elbows, mix with the sugar scrub first. The grit removes dead skin so the cream penetrates deeper. 3 mistakes that ruin the cream. Don't skip this. Using metal spoons. They react with rice. Always use wood or silicone. Skipping vitamin E. Your cream will mold in 3 days. Yep, learned this the hard way. Applying to broken skin. Rice water plus open cuts equals ouch. Patch test first. So, will you try this Korean rice cream for dark spots? Drop yes tonight and subscribe to more 3 skincare hacks Big Beauty doesn't want you to see. See you in the next one.